a very rewarding job, especially working for Sesame Lane. They are very enjoyable to work with.
My team's amazing, so supportive, and yeah, they're great. Made coming to work so easy. I love the job. I love coming in every morning and getting cuddles and greeted by the children.
It's an awesome place to work because there's supportive staff, supportive colleagues. A big thing to have an environment where we all can be on the same page, we all communicate well.
Find the management and the whole team really, really supportive, and they really know how to mentor you and have your back. When I arrive, I get lots of hugs given to me by all the food, and it makes my day really great.
Sesame Lane really look after their employees. They give us so many beautiful opportunities. They really empower our growth within our job. And obviously I started as a trainee, and then obviously they gave me a traineeship and to do my diploma. They fund everything. It's an amazing company to work for.